Harshila, welcome back to my channel. So it's a Sunday morning. I have noticed that I've been vlogging quite a lot on Sundays. I don't know, I just feel like it. I think Sundays are like really chill for me. My mom is here and my brother is also here. I'm doing something really cool right now and I thought of like vlogging it since I think it's pretty interesting and you guys would be interested in it too. So I'm actually making a herbal tea right now. And I'm using these butterfly pea flowers. So this is how it looks. These are just like blue flowers, and if you put lemon in it, like when you squeeze it, it changes its color. So I'm really excited to see that. And yeah, I'm also going to be using some honey. This is raw wildflower honey. So it's been a little while. Why are you drinking? We are doing the taste test. Okay, so I just made this a while ago, but what happened is we were trying to make a reels out of it and it was kind of a fail. So I thought of making another one for summer, and then we tried shooting that, and I thought that we should do like a little taste test for you guys. So yeah, are you ready? I have tasted it already, so I know what it tastes like.
It tastes kind of like lemon tea, I think.
Yeah.
Because there's honey and there's lemon.
Yeah.
Actually, the flowers do bring out like a kind of.
He thinks it's bitter, but.
Not bitter. I don't have the word. How can you describe a taste? Like,
yeah, you're not a food blogger to do that. What vlog would I be incorporating this into, but I still wanted to document it because I think it's really interesting, and also if you ask me, it's great vlog material, so I thought of doing it. I'm actually be taking up fluid art class. I've been seeing so many people take up this class and I was like, I really need to do that, because even growing up, I've given my elementary and intermediate exams and I've really enjoyed art, and I don't know, then I think life happened and I never really got around doing that. There are still times that I do like sketches here and there. I'll also like try painting something. I'm not good at it, like so good at it, but I think it's a therapy. Like that's how I look at it, because I don't know, it just makes me feel really good in the moment and extremely peaceful. If you have been having a tough time with your mental health, I think get a coloring book and just start coloring. Oh my god, like that should really help you. I mean, it did help me, so I'm guessing it should help you as well. So she has sent me this package which has all the materials that you need for the fluid art thing, and that's her name. If you want, check it. If you want, you can check her out on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram in the description bar for you guys. Look at this, guys. Can you see the rainbow thing? So it is actually because of this crystal that I hang on my window. Whenever there's sun, it catches it and gives out this beautiful like rainbow light, and I really like it. But the problem is I usually have to hang it on my window. Like I really have to, like, you know, oh my god, you have to see this. This is so beautiful. Can you see how beautiful that is? I still have to figure out, because that is too high and sun wahan pe aata nahi hai, and this is a little too low. So I still need to figure out where can I hang this, but this is beautiful. I got this from Amazon. If you haven't watched my Amazon haul, you should go watch it. You'll find a link there, but it's super cool. I mean, I really like it, but for the money, I think it's a good investment. Like it looks really nice and it puts me in a good mood, to be very honest. You teach this professionally? Oh. Show you 2 different techniques. How you go about it. Guys, this is what I made. This is Pooja. Pooja, do you want to talk?
I teach fluid art, guys, and you really need to check out what Harshila has made. She has really been an amazing student.
Can you see the mess that I created? I mean, I'm pretty sure like I was a pretty obedient student, but also the messiest. I mean, what is even this? Also, something really cool happened and I can't really contain my happiness right now, and I just want to show it to you guys. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Website right now. I'm just going to go here and type, not my name, but Yeah. Okay. Who is that? Looks so familiar, right?
हाँ पता है सबको.
Shut up. People don't know that. Okay. Yeah, that happened. I am on Fashion Nova's website. Okay, my camera. I'm on Fashion Nova's website, guys. Can you believe it? I mean, when I got to know this, I was like, what? This can't be even happening. And this girl actually sent me the screenshot. And actually, this happened, I think, 3-4 din pehle. And while I was searching it right now, I was just hoping that it's still there. And it was. So, yeah, thank God. But, yeah, can you believe it that I'm on their website? Just like, sometimes I just can't believe that this is happening and this is my life, especially on days like these and just like moments like these. I just got done filming a very fun video for Instagram. I've been enjoying Instagram Reels so much. Like, I literally look forward to you know, filming it and editing it. Like, I've been having a lot of fun with it. And so many of you guys usually ask me what do I edit my videos on, and if I have to be completely honest, I used to use, and even like right now I use Filmora, but I've been trying my hands on Premiere Pro a lot lately, because I think the exported video that you get and overall quality is also so good. And also there's so much that you can do in Premiere Pro than any other application, honestly. And the way I have learned editing is through Skillshare. This video is also sponsored by Skillshare, so that is great. Skillshare is something that I've used in the past and I still continue to use it. It's extremely easy to use and also very, very helpful. If you don't know already, Skillshare is this online learning community with thousands of classes. Like, you can pretty much find anything and everything on there, from like graphic design to productivity, filmmaking, video editing, photography, anything. I personally enjoy that productivity and video editing classes. Recently I took this one class which was Adobe Premiere Basics to Advanced. It was by Alistair. I think it is a really, really nice class and something that you can definitely check it out. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creators, not necessarily only creators, but anyone who wants to learn and explore can definitely check it out. Also, another thing that I really like is all these classes are under 1 hour to 45 minutes, which is really great because you don't have to spend a lot of time into it. Also, now with the lockdown, like in Mumbai, there's still lockdown and people are still working from home. I'm sure a lot of you guys must be having a lot of time on their hand, and if you want you know, this is a very, very nice way to like make the most out of your time. It is less than $10 a month. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get free trial of Skillshare Premium. So if you want, go check it out, and yeah, I'm sure you wouldn't regret it. It's really, really I got this from Amazon, which is really cool, which is like a juicer blender kind of thing. But the best part is the price. I think this was for 500 rupees or 600 rupees. And another cool thing about this is that this has like a charger, so you basically just you know, start this. You basically just press the button and yeah, it is like wireless, which is so cool for 600 rupees, something like this. And this is the first time I'm actually trying it out, so I just thought that I'll do it on camera. So I have some pomegranate seeds with me, and I'm just going to pour it here and then see. समर, ये चालत नहीं है. पानी नहीं रखा यार. थांब.
एवढं का भरलंय? जस्ट बने. तुझे बाबा माहिती आहे का तुला?
Cheers. For 400 rupees or 600 rupees, I don't remember how much did I pay for this. I think it's totally worth it. काय वाटतं तुला?
बरं.
चांगला आहे ना?
छान आहे, चांगलं आहे.
My mom is also saying it's good, so it's really good for like the price that I paid. I've been wanting to change up the look of my room for a while now. There's this box right here which I did not like. I mean, there was a box and I used to keep like candles and stuff in there, and I think I should put some frames there. So I have all these frames that I got when you know, I kind of like moved in here, which is like almost a year ago. So I have this one, which is really nice. This is just a very minimal frame. I also really like this one. This is like holding hands. I mean, I did put these two for a shoot and they did look good, but I just like have other options, so I just wanted to try it out what exactly looks good. So I have this one. It says Forever Grateful, which is actually my hashtag that I use on Instagram a lot. And then I have this one which says go where you feel most alive, which is like blue, and I have a lot of pillows that are blue. I think this will just like tie in all the colors together, so yeah, I think this will look good. I mean, these two together, like, let's see. And then I have this one, which is such a like nice frame, but it got ruined. So there's a fungus inside, I think because of the humidity and the rains. So this just says believe there is good in the world. So this I'm definitely not putting up because it's just, yeah. And I have this Chotu one, which is so nice. I really like plants, and also this is so colorful, but I don't think so I'm going to put it up there. So yeah, let's see. I think I'm just going to try different combinations together and then decide on one. Okay, I really like my wall. I mean, I think it looks really nice. I mean, I did try this. I just wanted to try it out with like different frames, but yeah, I still decided on the same. I think since both of them are like really minimal, they complement each other really well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Now I have to go and pack because tomorrow I am again going to Igatpuri, but this time I'm going with my friends, so I have a lot to do. Like I have to pack and get some work done before I actually go on a little staycation, which I really badly need. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.